And then there was this piece here just below the windscreen. I made this one up to fit in here, and I'll spot weld it on the flange here, and then weld it around the rest of it here, and that should be almost it for this side of the driver's card, except for just inside where the two skins meet, and there's a bit of a cavity inside here. That one there would have rusted on inside and outside, so we took that one, cut that one out, and put a new piece in there as well, and follow the line of the double skin on the inner guard. Also fixed up the other side of the battery holder. It had patches welded onto the outside. They weren't even flush, they were just popped on top. 1, 2 and 3 on the inner one here. So there's a shape here to make it up, and one here, and then one down here. And then I had to remake the inside and the bonnet latches as well. They had rusted out, and put a new piece in there, and then a new piece across the top in here as well, just to give it a bit more strength back to it.